Okay, welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. I'm super excited to show off my project today called Ask AI Makerspace. So I had the problem of, there's so much information out there. YouTube is such a vast library of data and information. Every minute or every second, there's 60 hours of video uploaded to YouTube. And so it's just so much out there and it's hard to parse through and find, your precise question that you're looking for. And so some background, AI Makerspace is a platform that is, really good at showing and demonstrating the latest and greatest that AI technology has to offer. And we have almost 40 hours worth of demonstrations out there. And so I really needed a tool to just help me parse through and answer my precise questions that I had. And so the solution is a RAG system that uses the auto-generated subtitles like transcripts documents to summarize the videos and also answer questions off the videos. And so, as kind of a prelude to my demonstration, we can ask the question like, what is RAG? And generic ChatGPT-4 would, give you the probably correct answer of saying textile material, or RAG typically refers to a piece of old cloth used for cleaning, dusting, or wiping. And as AI practitioners and AI learners, that's not really the answer we're looking for. We're looking for something more like this. And so kind of success on the platform, as the founder himself, Greg Loughnane, said, I love your summaries of our YouTube videos. They definitely create real value for our team who's already bootstrapped with time as creators and YouTube managers. And so kind of more to the purpose of this platform too is they're hour-long videos, and people today don't have attention spans like we need for them to learn. So, kind of this graph shows that as these videos approach the 60+ minute mark, the audience engagement just completely drops off. And so I hope to solve that where, you can ask your specific question, you can find the specific part of the video you're looking for and have your answer question and kind of remove the fluff, if you will. All right, so demo time. So we can, again, just try the question that I already kind of showed off and ask, what is RAG? And here it gives a pretty good description of what a RAG system stands for in the context of large language models. And this is being pulled off of the YouTube transcripts from the AI Makerspace YouTube. And then it also provides a link here, which you can click on, and it pulls you directly to the part of the video which overviews what RAG is, and you can just continue learning from this point. Ask it some more questions like summarize the video, how to become an AI engineer in 2024. And so here we go. It gives a pretty good summary of what it is about. And we can maybe just play around with it a little bit more. So we can pull, this is something I manually did. It's kind of finding what the problem was is, I had to manually go through and create all these kind of timestamps. I'm like, this is time consuming. And it's a little bit ironic that I'm doing a task that an AI could probably do pretty well. And so that's kind of where I got the inspiration from. And so we can take something like crafting your perfect day, which Sadie described. And we can say like, how to craft a perfect day. Here we go. So it generates exactly as Sadie described in the video, her explanation of how you can create your perfect day as an AI engineer. And then again, we can click on the link and it pulls us perfectly to the spot where she describes this process. And so it connects the video to text in that way. We can head back over to the demonstration. And so this is kind of the system diagram of what is going on behind the scenes. And so over here, we pre-processed all the YouTube transcripts. And so currently this only works for the AI Makerspace YouTube channel, but hopefully in future iterations, I can open this up to be more dynamic to interact with any kind of queried YouTube channel or video. And so we're taking the videos and creating the transcripts and chunking the transcripts and then putting it into our embedding model from OpenAI. And then that is then stored in our vector store. And then the user query will also kind of pass through the embedding model and vector store and use cosine similarity to find the relevant context for the query. And then all that is thrown into the prompt in the LLM, and it's able to generate a response that is grounded in truth from the YouTube videos. And so again, future goals of this is to build a more agentic application. So YouTube is really good at covering the conceptual ideas that are being taught, but we really need the GitHub code and the slides to just further reinforce what we're learning. And yeah. And then another future goal is, again, as I already mentioned, is live data processing. So querying information on any YouTube video or channel, and we can maybe try and achieve that by using like local vector stores or potentially just loading in the entire transcript of the video into the prompts. Cool. So any questions?